Huawei has just announced globally the new MatePad Pro 13.2. The name specifically states the size of the screen, and with that we realize that it is a huge screen. In addition, it debuts a Kirin 9000W processor. Although the name of the processor could come to vary depending on the regions, as there are regions where Huawei does not communicate it officially. The screen, besides being huge, is OLED with a resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels. It comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage versions. The rear camera is 13 megapixels and also comes with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, while up front we find 16 megapixels for selfies or video calls. I insist that tablet manufacturers should stop putting 2 rear cameras and instead put 2 USB-C ports. I think it is much more useful. It comes with a 10,000 milliamp battery and 88 watt charging. It is available in green and black gold colors. And in Mexico, this tablet is also already available in the Huawei store at a price of 19,999 pesos. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies to give you an idea. Although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there.